Today, Valero Houston Refinery is partnering with Rebuilding Together Houston in refurbishing Miss Esperanza Cantera's home here in Manchester. It's a home that's been around for about 90 years and is in desperate need of home repairs.
When the organization was formed 40 years ago, nobody imagined that the need would still be as great or greater 40 years later. I've always known that Valero very, very much sees the importance of supporting the people that work for them and supporting the people that live around this refinery. There's nothing as personal as working in your own neighborhood and helping one of your own neighbors to reclaim the safety and the joy that they have in their home.
This has been a 3-day project. This is the final day. Overall, we've had probably about 25 volunteers for each of the 3 days that we've been out here. It's really important for Valero to be considerate neighbors and to have established relations with the people in the community. And volunteering is one way that we can directly contribute to the overall vitality of the community.
We very much focus on the pillars of healthcare, basic needs, and education to ensure that our fence line neighbors are well taken care of and that we create a lasting legacy for not only our company, but this community.
Those volunteers, I want to thank them because without their help, I don't know what I would have done. I'm happy, I'm blessed. I give thanks to God. I don't know if they wouldn't come, Revitalizing and Valero wouldn't come, I don't know how would have fixed my house. Because, I'm a self-income, I'm a widow, and, that was a big help. It was a big bless.
I want to thank Valero for partnering with Rebuilding Together Houston. Homes just across behind me are being rebuilt and restored because of Valero. So Valero has partnered with us in really building what I call the quality of life ecosystem. So I want to thank them for their generosity, and I want to thank them for being an excellent corporate citizen.